But just think for a moment about what WhatsApp does is. What
Yeah.
it does is it takes your mobile number. Generally, you think it's my number, but you've got it from a carrier. And until 10 years ago, we didn't have number portability. So if I changed my telephone carrier, I had to change my phone number. It became an anchor point that I had to stay with the carrier. Now, on the actual telephone and wireless and making phone calls things, that changed. Look at what WhatsApp did. All it said was, I'm going to use that number and I want to confirm it's you. I'll just send you an SMS, which costs me nothing. And you'll confirm back that it's you. And then now I'm in this another whole trusted system that the whole world is in. And all because I've adopted your number.
And then you don't need to have that number anymore.
I don't even need a phone, for God's sake. I can go on my computer and use a browser and say, I'm WhatsApping. And the person at the other end with a phone or a computer doesn't know whether I'm on one or the other. So a whole thing has transmogrified into something bigger, all because of a 10-digit number. And if we look at here's the bizarre thing. If you go down into your open your panel on the side wall of your house, bugger me, there's going to be a NIMI number on that, and that's your unique identity of what is coming and going from you. And it's an official thing. And the transactions of that are recorded everywhere. And I could say, I'm going to give you what I do in this manner, but some of what's happening with mother-in-law using my bandwidth. It's shared. The underlying platform is already there. It's just we don't use it. Frightening, isn't it?
It is. But it's also exciting.
Oh, it's hugely exciting. Like I'm grinning like a gypsy. It's there, possible, and we can see these things. And we want to do it in such a way that people don't think about it. We just had a discussion about how WhatsApp is and works and what it does. Somebody using WhatsApp is not even going to think about it, right? They just do it. They just use it. We want to have that same thing with anything. I pick up a phone to make a phone call, or I'm ordering something online with a dinner or whatever. They just want it to work. And we want our energy to work. And it will work. It'll just work differently. And it will work cheaper. The question is how long it takes to get cheaper and how businesses modify their approaches.